Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the microphone missing option. Some device has missing this option, some provide how can easily get back. So simply press on settings, then you get voice input, or go to your main settings page, scroll down, click on to general management, tap on it and press on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down, then you get voice input. Just press on to select. If you have select no option, just select to a Samsung voice input or Google voice typing, like I'm select Google voice typing. Okay, and successfully fix this problem, and you just easily use this. Hello. So that's it.